If you're seeing a Prezi server error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to working normally again. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including browser loading problems, VPN interference, or even a corrupted file attachment inside your presentation. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without needing to start over. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is perform a hard reload of the page. On Windows, hold down Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. This forces your browser to completely refresh the page instead of using cached files. A normal refresh sometimes keeps broken data in place, but a hard reload gives Prezi a clean chance to load everything again. This is especially useful because a server error can appear when an external security filter blocks Prezi's background asset delivery scripts partway through loading. So after the hard reload, wait a few seconds and see whether the presentation opens correctly. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is whether you have an active VPN turned on. VPN servers can sometimes reroute your connection in a way that interrupts Prezi's secure live-saving network connections. That can cause the app to freeze, fail to sync, or throw a server error when you try to work on your project. So if you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily, then reload Prezi and try again. In many cases, simply turning off the VPN is enough to restore normal access. If the error only shows up when you hit save or when you try to download your file, then the problem may be tied to a specific attachment inside the presentation. In that case, the server might be rejecting a corrupt or problematic file element. Think about the last thing you added before the error started appearing. It could be a video, a large photo block, or even a custom font upload. Try removing that most recent item and then test the save or download button again. If the presentation works after deleting it, you've found the source of the problem. Once the file is open again, it's also a good idea to save your progress in smaller steps and avoid adding too many heavy media files at once. That can help reduce the chance of another server error later on. So to quickly recap, first, hard reload with Ctrl plus Shift plus R. Second, turn off any active VPNs. And third, if the error happens while saving or downloading, remove the last large or unusual file attachment you added. These 3 steps solve a lot of common Prezi server error issues very quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.